In this video, I'll show you how to enable the desktop version of YouTube on your Android phone. The desktop mode gives you extra features, and I'll guide you through the steps to make it happen. First, open your Chrome browser and type YouTube desktop site into Google. In the search results, tap on the first link that says Home. If tapping this link takes you to the YouTube app instead of the website, don't worry, here's how to fix that. Go back to Chrome, find the same link, and press and hold it until you see some options. Choose Open in a new tab. This should load the desktop version in a new browser tab without opening the YouTube app. If it still loads the mobile version instead, here's another quick fix. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and select Desktop Site. This will reload the page in desktop mode. And that's it. You're all set to use the desktop version of YouTube on your Android phone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Let me know if that works.